everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to answer a question by yes or no in Korean. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Inyoung. I post videos about Korean language and culture every single week. If that interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to talk about how to answer a question by 네 or 아니요. This question was raised by Lexi. First, when asking questions such as 안 먹어요, would you reply with 네 or 아니요? So the person is specifically asking a question about when somebody asks with not, which is negation. Then how would you answer that in Korean? Would you say yes when you want to eat, or would you say no when you actually want to eat? That is a little bit tricky because it's different from English. Let's go backtrack. First of all, 네 is yes, 아니요 is no. You can also say in casual way, 응 is yes, 아니 by omitting 요 becomes casual, no. So in a positive questions, do you want to eat? It's exactly the same answer that you would expect in English and in Korean. So if you want to eat, you're gonna say yes, 네. If you don't wanna eat, no, 아니요. But on the other hand, like Lexi asked, if somebody asks, 안 먹어요? Aren't you eating? In English, if you're not eating, in English, whether you're eating or not eating, you are focusing on what you're doing as the result. If you're not eating, you're gonna say no. If you're eating, you're gonna say yes. However, in Korean, it's not focusing on what you're doing. It's more like focusing on whether you agree with the speaker or not. So when you're replying to the question, aren't you eating? If I say 네, it means I'm not eating because I'm agreeing with the speaker. So we will say 네, yes, 안 먹어요. Yes, I'm not eating. And if you're actually eating, you're gonna say 아니요, 먹어요. Means no, disagreeing with the speaker and saying I'm eating. So this is a little bit tricky, but we can have another example. Let's say when somebody asks you, don't you like K-pop? K-pop 안 좋아해요? And if you say 네, what do you think? Means 네, 안 좋아해요. Means 네, agreeing with the person, I don't like K-pop. 네, 안 좋아해요. On the other hand, in English, you will be say, no, I don't like K-pop. In Korean, 네, 안 좋아해요. But if you want to say, yes, I like K-pop, then you're going to say, 아니요, 전 K-pop 좋아해요. No, I like K-pop. Disagreeing with the speaker. I like K-pop. So I know this is kind of confusing. If you're confused, try to make as many examples as possible and leave it in the comment down below, and I try my best to correct your mistakes. And like Lexi did, if you write a question in the comment down below and I think that it's a great question for everybody, I make a video about the content. If you like this video today, give it a thumbs up and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!